I have here now is a model of Swiss watch simply called GB753 Sir Red. If you look closely to this watch, is you see it's tight close, and the one you see outside is the casing of the battery, patented, water resistant, Swiss made, B8. Battery is 11.6 by 3.1, 1.5 volts watch. Then if you want to change the battery, you must buy this one, Renata batteries 390